My name is Spencer Taylor Jr. I'm a U.S. Marine veteran. I'm an offline marketer, entrepreneur. Royaltie has helped me make the transition from being an offline marketer to an online marketer much easier. Today I'm going to go over the new pricing changes that Royaltie came out with on July 1st. As you can see here, we have three different packages for those who are in business for themselves, whether they're doing MLM, affiliate marketing, whether they're a real estate agent, self-employed business owner, or small business owner, or anything that you're using to earn money for yourself. Excuse me. As you can see here, you have a starter, which is $57 a month, and that'll give you three websites, 5,000 ad views every month guaranteed, and the ability to send 2,500 emails every month with your list. You also get to, with your entrepreneur package is $87 a month. You get unlimited websites. You have 10,000 ad views. You can send 10,000 emails every month. You get priority support, team chat, and you also get file sharing and analytics. And for the small business owner, as you can see, you got $327 a month, and you can read this: unlimited websites, 50,000 ad views, unlimited emails, super priority support, team chat, file sharing, and analytics. These are the new changes in the pricing. As you can see, if a small business owner or business owner wanted to have different platforms, this is an all-in-one platform. I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to log in so you can actually see exactly how the back office look with this system. But as you know here, advertising and being able to create email campaigns and autoresponders takes a lot of money. You'll need multiple different third-party providers like Aweber or ClickFunnels or Salesforce. You know, those are pretty much the more uh, favorite of those who actually market online. So we're saying here, you can cancel all of that. You get everything included. You know, as an entrepreneur, a small business package is limited here in the starter, but at least it'll get you started. You can always upgrade when you're ready to upgrade when you can afford it or when you're ready to upgrade. But the fact is, you're getting all that in one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to log into my back office and I'll be right back. Hello, fellow marketers, entrepreneurs, small business owners, self-employed individuals, affiliate marketers, MLM marketers. Here I am into my back office as promised. As you can see, you have your landing pages here. They give you analytics based on how many times people have been on your landing pages. It'll actually go down the list where you can see how your landing pages are performing. You also get your landing page clicks here, your analytics, and I'll scroll down here. You can see where you get your analytics here. It's actually telling you exactly where your clicks are coming from. Right now, and I have my advanced set for female. Last month, I had it set for male, so I can actually gauge, my clicks. You can get a percentage here of where your clicks are coming from. Here, you can monitor your email campaigns here. Show you how many emails are going through and your click rate and your open rate, where you can actually see. Here you have your landing page creator, where you can create your landing pages here. I would just click on this real quick so you can actually see how simple. All you would do is put your page name, create a custom domain name, and then here you would choose your category so you can see what category you want to promote in. And then you can go to your subcategory which once you pick your main category, I'm going to pick, let's say I pick someone who's doing insurance. And then you got all of this for your subcategory. It brings up a subcategory in that category. So it's very simple. Here you have your advertisement going on. And I'll just click in here so you can actually see exactly how it looks when you're putting it together. You'll create your headline, your summary, about, and you can change your images here. Your website URL, which you can actually go in there and either use a custom URL or you can sync it to one of your landing pages. You have your ad pin location here. Not going to try to make this too long, but you can see where here you can set your radius from 0.6 miles to 6.2 miles if you want to do a more specific target, or you can expand your target like I did and reach anywhere between 50 kilometers, which is actually 31 miles, 36 miles, I'm sorry. As you can see how it shows it on the map here, all the way up to 497 miles from the location that you got your ad set in. So this is a very simple, easy to promote, easy to create ad pin, which you get 5,000 starting out, guaranteed ads on 1 million popular websites, social networks, and mobile apps. Just gonna let this go through. You don't have to worry about creating different accounts and trying to manage it and things of that nature. You have your contact section here. When people come in through your landing pages, you've got them all here. You have your content section. I'll just click on that so you can actually see. You can create your files here, your images, your videos, your storage. This is unlimited storage. So you can get all this stuff, for your clients or for your team. They can get access to it as they actually join your team. So that was a quick overview of the back office. Like I said, I didn't want to make it too long, but I wanted to give you an idea of what to expect when you decide or if you decide to use this platform for your business. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me directly on my personal line, which my friends and family have. That is 910-516-1319. Again, that's 910-516-1319. Again, my name is Spencer Taylor Jr. I'm a U.S. Marine veteran, and I'm an entrepreneur. Thank you very much, and have a great day.